It's playing that song too.
Yeah, let's go. Julia, wanna go down that street and see if we can catch the thing? Come on, let's go. I doubt it. Okay. You can hear it. I see it, it's right there. Yeah. It's just an ongoing run. Oh, yeah. So the kid across the street was in Mr. John's yard again.
The lady or the guy?
Say
that again.
Mr. John, he like one of their kids, Caden, 5 or 6, went in his yard again.
And they called it.
I don't know what he did, but we were inside the fence taking a YouTube video, and then when we were done, it happened. We're just here to videotape the song of that ice cream truck.
Yeah, he's right around the corner.
It's weird.
It's very weird.
I mean,
It's
like,
like 20 years since I heard one. Yeah, that's right.
You want ice cream?
nah.
They don't have any money anyway. Who ever heard a raggedy ice cream truck coming around?
Ice cream truck in the hood.
No. Julia, watch. Never in my life have I seen you dab, and I thought I could keep it that way. Also, can I bring your phone home?
Sure.
Thank you.
I never thought in my life that I would dance to an ice cream truck. Or ice cream bus.
Ice cream.
I scream, you scream, we all scream.
Ice cream.
It's like.
Can I catch my breath down here? You can just keep going.
No, I'm walking with you since I'm like your best friend.
No. Please.
Sure.
Thank
What
you.
are you doing?
What? I'm just catching my breath.
Okay.
It really hurts. Oh God, random car. You go.
Julia.
Little does she know. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Here I go. Random person. Me. Okay. Hey. Oh no. I just have to find a reason for you to go the long way and me to go the short way. And for me